Hi, Emily here from Current Body. Today I have the SensiLift, which is a device from the company Sensica, which offers a non-invasive facelift at home. So this is one of our radio frequency devices. If you tune into our channel often, you'll know that we do talk about radio frequency as being one of the most popular anti-aging treatments in salon and equally now in home. So this one is the SensiLift from Sensica, and it actually has not just radio frequency, but what they've called dynamic radio frequency. So it has the standard radio frequency which heats the skin cells, but in addition to that, it also has a facial massage treatment. So that moves the two little prongs that you've got on the front of the device, and it allows for the skin as it's being heated to be moved, which means that the heat can go deeper into the skin cells and penetrate further into where we want that heat to go. So there are two different modes on it. Now I've got mine plugged in so it's flashing for now. So as I just showed you, there's the massage mode. So that's got two levels. So you press it once to go onto the first level, and then you press it twice to go onto a higher level of massage. You've then got 3 radio frequency treatment levels. Now they do advise when you're first using the device that you start on level 1 and you work your way up to the higher levels, because it can actually get quite hot. Now the heat is what you want because that is the radio frequency, but whilst you're first starting out and getting used to the treatment, it's advisable to start on the lower levels. So again with that one, you press once for level 1, twice for level 2, and then 3 times for level 3. And of course the beauty of this dynamic radio frequency is that you can use both in combination, or you can use one or the other. So the way that the treatment works is that you do need a gel to conduct the radio frequency into the skin. And actually the Sensica base gel comes with 3 little roller balls which allow you to roll it on really evenly. It's a really, really nice design. So you roll onto the area that you want to work on. Now they ask you to separate the face into different areas. So you can work on the forehead, which takes 10 minutes for a treatment. And with that one, you apply the primer and then you move the device up and down, working across the forehead. You can then treat underneath the eye area and around the crow's feet, again working side to side, but this time with circular motions. You can also treat the smile lines and slightly up if they extend, and again that's an up and down movement. You can treat your chin, and you can also treat your neck for the first 2/3, not going below there. Now I've already applied the primer to my face, and you do need that, otherwise the device won't work correctly. So you'll see when I apply it to the skin, the green light comes on and I can feel the heat already beginning to heat up my skin cells. One thing about the SensiLift which I must mention, which is different from a lot of other devices on the market, is that the dynamic radio frequency, with that extra treatment level that it offers, actually allows you to only treat once per week, which is amazing. That's not much commitment at all. Although the actual treatment time probably takes around 25 to 30 minutes in total, only having to commit to once a week for results is a real bonus. So they ask you to do it for 8 to 10 weeks whilst you're in your first period of using the device. And then after that, it's maintenance of just once every 4 to 6 weeks. In comparison with some other devices on the market, it is quite actually low maintenance, but the level of radio frequency it contains combined with the massage really does offer you something completely different, and is a great, great tool in your anti-aging armoury. So that is the SensiLift, available from us at Current Body. If you've got further questions on the technology or how you might use it or the treatments you could follow, please don't hesitate to contact us.